Now I will present biography the most terrorist Ayman al Zawahiri. Full name Ayman al Zawahiri. Date of birth June 19, 1951. Birthplace Giza, Egypt. Nationality Egypt. Known for leader of al-Qaeda after Osama bin Laden 2011 to 2022. Global attack, the 1998 US embassy bombing in Kenya and Tanzania, the USS Cole bombing in 2000, the September 11, 2001 attacks in the United States. Leadership of Al-Qaeda. After Osama bin Laden was killed in 2011, Zawahiri became the official leader of Al-Qaeda. Education, studied medicine at Cairo University and became a surgeon. Date July 31st, 2022, Kabul, Afghanistan, US drone strike.